big welcome to you all to the Stadio Olimpico. I'm Martin Tyler, sitting alongside me is Alan Smith. The game has all the elements really to excite us, and I'm sure it will live up to the billing. Absolutely looking forward to this one.
I think the first 10 minutes might tell us how this match is going to pan out, who can gain the upper hand, who can get hold of this ball and ask all the questions.
Well, a couple of star names that we're looking at today. What do you think, Alan?
Well, two excellent attacking players we are treated to seeing. I'm really enjoying good seasons, and I'm expecting a bit more of the same today.
And here are the 11 who will start the game today. Wojciech Szczesny starts in goal. Matthijs de Ligt starts with Leonardo Bonucci in central defence. Miralem Pjanic starts with Blaise Matuidi in the centre of the park. And finally, the forwards, Cristiano Ronaldo, partners together with Gonzalo Higuain. Paris Saint Germain, this is their lineup. Keylor Navas in goal. Thiago Silva plays with Marquinhos in central defence. Marco Verratti plays today with Idrissa Gueye in central midfield. And Kylian Mbappe plays up with Mauro Icardi. Terrific entertainment on offer here, I'm sure, as the game gets underway. Here's De Ligt. Here's Alexandro. Well, that is a cheap piece of play to give the ball away like that. Cristiano Ronaldo. That's a brilliant challenge. Won it back with an interception. He could take them on here. Oh, time to get the cross now. Very straightforward piece of goalkeeping as he catches the cross. Bħala, Matuidi, and Ronaldo. Gonzalo Higuain. Into the attacking third. They came on strong in that period of attacking play, but in the end it was disappointing. It's Marquinhos. Thiago Silva. Gueye. Here's Icardi. He's given it away. Leonardo Bonucci. Miralem Pjanic. Matuidi. Higuain. Cristiano Ronaldo. Angel Di Maria. Mbappe. Verratti. It's good work here in terms of possession. Can they find the final pass? But poor play at the end of a promising move. Idrissa Gueye. Mbappe. Di Maria. On to Mbappe. PSG trying to pull the strings with their passing here. Meunier, cross blocked by the first defender. That looked very good indeed, but the move has broken down. Higuain, Sami Khedira. Excellent tackle, and the result is a throw. Bħala. Ronaldo. Tight against the touchline, and pretty clear that it was going to end up with a throw-in. Cuadrado. Higuain. Good position for the cross. Oh, they've got a corner here. It was deflected. Here's De Ligt. He's done well to block that. Throw in to come. Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo. Good defending, no problem in the end. Well, here's a chance to get their noses in front from the corner. And in it goes. Looking for the shot here. And the defender able to clear it away. Sami Khedira. He could cross it now. Cuadrado. Idrissa Gana Gueye. Gueye. Verratti. They can be quick on the break now. Angel Di Maria.
Goes at pace, Di Maria. Defended.
Icardi! Pushed out by the goalkeeper, but only into a dangerous area. Oh, the goalkeeper puffs out his cheeks because that was a bit easier. But the other save was superb.
Well, that's what they work on in training, don't they? These double saves, getting back on the feet, back into position.
Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Lovely ball from Ronaldo. How did he reach that? Brilliant goalkeeping. Swung in by Pjanic. And there is the half-time whistle, 0-0 at the break.
Sei sicura?
Sì.
Ok, stop.
Lulu? Avete visto Lulu? Tu la conosci? Se n'è appena andata.
Ti dico che se n'è andata.
Lulu?
Oui, c'est moi.
Lulu, le nouveau parfum de Cacharel.
Sopra uno spuntino veloce, sopra un pomeriggio di lavoro, sopra un buon pranzo, soprattutto Fernet Branca.
Ma se decido di investire,
Sai che c'è un momento in cui la grande così. Andiamo lì, grande così.
esagerando, grande così, grande così.
E tira così, grande così.
Ma se decido di esagerare,
Lo sai che c'è un pacchetto di Golia grande così? Ma insomma, quanto è grande sta Golia?
ma mangia grandolia.
Here we go with the second half then with Paris Saint Germain. Oh, he spotted that pass beautifully. Cut out the pass. Matuidi. Matuidi. Now he wants to take them on.
It's been a bit of a ball fest so far, Martin, hasn't it? Neither set of players looking particularly up for it. I think they both need a bit of a kick to get them going.
Mbappe. It's good play to get a foot in and intercept. Khedira. Higuain. That's a great interception. It'll be a throw now after the tackle. I think there's going to be a change for Paris Saint Germain. Now Bernat. Mbappe. Good bit of play in the wide area for PSG now. That could be the advantage rule applied to Paris Saint Germain. And that will be a Paris Saint Germain free kick.
This lad tends to put a bit of whip on these free kicks. Needs it here.
Delivered into the box. Mbappe. Pablo Sarabia. Has a go here. At full extension, the goalkeeper makes the save. Delivered by Di Maria. And that will be a throw as the header goes out of play. Paris Saint Germain are ready to make a switch now. Neymar. Now a chance to get a bit of width into this attack. Now Bernat. Verratti. Sarabia! Oh, nowhere near.
No, he's miscued that one. Miscued it badly.
Ramsey. Bħala. And Ronaldo. And here they are, still probing away. Goalkeeper desperate not to be beaten from there, and he wasn't even challenged, was it?
Well, some disbelieving looks from his teammates there who are waiting in the box. Yeah, look at that possession.
This could be an opportunity in behind the defence. Miralem Pjanic. And they've cut it out. Just over quarter of an hour left on my watch. Cavani. Mbappe! Powerful drive, close enough to suggest have another go, son.
Yeah, strong shot. I think the keeper saw it coming all the way, though.
Here's De Ligt. Rodrigo Betancourt. Gonzalo Higuain. Cuadrado. That's an unforced error, really, with the pass. And we have 9 remaining minutes. Thomas Meunier. Paris Saint Germain smoothly through the gears here into an attacking position. It's a difficult technique, and he didn't quite catch it.
Yeah, fair play for taking it on. Takes a bit of confidence to do that. Well, it's a chance burn, that. Maybe not the best decision he's ever taken.
Matuidi. Alexandro. Cristiano Ronaldo. Blocked off the pass there. PSG have given the ball away. Referee's had a good look and decided on what he's seen from this period of play to add on 3 minutes. Edinson Cavani. Neymar. Cavani. Good interception. Well, no difference between the two sides after 90 minutes here.